Good afternoon. It's Thursday, October 29th, 2009. My name is Carl Self. I'm the Washington Mortgage Professor, also known as the Seattle First-Time Homebuyer Specialist. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the First-Time Homebuyer Tax Credit and how that will impact what happens over the next few months. As you know, we had the First-Time Homebuyer Tax Credit for all for 2009. It started early in the year and it goes through the end of November, and it's an $8,000 tax credit for first-time home buyers. The Senate has just finished meeting and they're getting ready to vote on it, and once it passes the Senate, it'll go to the House. So we're looking at about 2 weeks before the President actually signs the new legislation into law. And what this tax credit is, it's going to extend the first-time home buyer tax credit of $8,000 on the purchase of a new home until the end of April in 2010. You have to have your purchase contract signed by the end of April, and you'll have until the end of June of 2010 to close on the property. So that's the good news. The other part of that is income qualifying for individuals. Maximum income allowed is $75,000 for an individual. For a couple, for a husband and wife, it's $150,000. And you can get the tax credit right away. There's a simple form you would fill out. You could always request one from me. And the other part of this tax credit bill that I'm really excited about is previous homeowners who've been in their home for 5 years or more are now able to get a $6,500 tax credit starting once the bill is signed through the end of April. And the qualifying for that program is currently at $150,000 for individuals and $300,000 for couples. So this is some great news. We're very excited about the new tax credit. Hopefully it will be signed into law within the next 2 weeks. Once that happens, there's going to be hopefully a bunch of activity in the market, and my hope is that it will help to get some recovery in the housing market moving forward for us. This is a great time to buy based on that information. It's going to stabilize home prices in several markets. Hopefully we'll see that in some of the higher end home prices where it's been struggling as of late. But this is a great program, and I wanted to thank you for stopping by, and stay tuned because next week we're going to talk about the home loan process. We're going to talk about what happens excuse me. We're going to talk about what happens when you meet with your lender and the best steps you can take to actually get an approval right there on the spot with your lender, and what happens from that point forward. We might stretch it into a couple of weeks series, but I think if we started off with the application process, you'll have a little better idea of what to expect. My name is Carl Self, also known as the Seattle First-Time Homebuyer Expert. Look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 206-852-1619, 206-852-1619, or you can send me an email at C like cat, self like myself, SELF, at Guild, GUILD, mortgage, MORTGAGE.net. Again, email cself@guildmortgage.net. Thank you very much, and have a great Halloween.